Creating a content calendar in Clickup involves strategic planning and organization to manage content creation, scheduling, and publication efficiently. Here's a concise guide. Create a workspace. Begin by setting up a dedicated workspace in Clickup for your content management. Set up spaces and folders. Organize your workspace by creating spaces and folders. Spaces can represent different content types or projects, while folders can categorize content within those spaces. Create lists for each content type. Within folders, create lists for specific content types or themes. Lists act as categories for your content. Add tasks for each piece of content. Each task represents a piece of content. Include details like title, description, and due date within the task. Utilize custom fields. Implement custom fields for additional metadata such as publication date, target audience, or content format. This enhances organization and filtering. Set due dates and prioritize. Assign due dates to tasks based on your content calendar. Prioritize tasks to manage deadlines effectively. Use checklists and subtasks. Break down content tasks into checklists or subtasks for detailed steps in the creation and publishing process. Visualize with Calendar View. Utilize Clickup's Calendar View to visualize content schedules, publication dates, and deadlines. This provides a clear overview of your content calendar. Collaborate with comments. Foster collaboration by using the comments section within tasks to discuss content ideas, revisions, and updates. Regularly review and adjust. Conduct regular reviews of your content calendar, adjusting schedules and priorities based on evolving content strategies and business goals.